Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at the Desert Shield Peace Force box set. These came out in the 1990s, obviously around the time of the Persian Gulf War, of which I am a veteran. And they come with, as you see, these little 172 plastic army men and what's about a 15mm scale American looking tank. Also included in the box set was an envelope and some seals, which I believe would allow children to write to a soldier that was stationed over there during the Desert Shield buildup. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. And of course, we about tore up our operational theater map. There's that backside again, shows you all the different models you can collect in the series. Alright, first up, here's our little tank. The turret seems a little wobbly. Maybe it comes off. No, just kind of wobbly there. Look at that front grab plate. Be an easy pin. But overall, not a bad little tank for 15mm. I don't like that emptiness right there. But again, these were designed and marketed towards grade school children. .172 scale American soldiers, although these look more World War II than modern late 80s and early 90s American fighting men. The sergeant or the officer waving his men forward. This is not a very good sculpt on this model. Look at that big dent in his knee. Kind of hard to hold on to. I believe these are based on Airfix poses. I don't know if these are knockoffs or not. Here's a two-way mailer. This is where the grade school child could write to the soldier, and here's where the soldier could reply back. And here were the prepaid seals. And I believe they could attach those to the mailer and it would ship for free. I could be wrong on that. Neat little eBay find. I think I paid about $15 for this. Kind of a little piece of history there. I don't know that I would want to collect any more in this series. It was a fun and novel thing getting to open this one up. Okay, that about wraps it up for this one. Comment down below what you think of this old set. It's, let's see, 30-something years old now. So comment down below what you think of it, whether you like it or don't like it. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more Plastic Soldiers, and if you can, please just drop me a simple like down below. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.